coming.
Morning. It's not really considered difficult. Kaya lang, for me, busy yung freeway and all that. This is something else. Imagine di mo na kailangang mag-prepare a lot para lang makarating dito sa trail. Alam mo yun, hindi mo kailangan saksikan sa traffic for for several hours para lang makarating dito. This is life. I love it.
Yayabangan mo ko ah. Ang haba ng legs mo, daddy long legs.
So okay guys, pahinga muna kami. Kasi medyo brutal to eh. Kahit medyo short lang siya pero that's brutal.
Buwan lang siyang short pero
Doon kami nang galing sa kabundukan na yan. Naakyat namin lahat yan. Uhu! Diba? Trails, different levels, mag-fly over sa gilid ng bundok. So, I think it requires some ng hostess. Mama Ami nag-hike. Kala ko nasa Pilipinas si Mama Ami. Ba't andito pa? Oh! Anak pala ni Mama Ami yan. Pag nakatalikod. Anyways, galing na kami dun sa itaas eh. Kaya ito, cool down na lang to. Mostly flat na lang tong area na to kasi patapos na yung trail. So, kaya masasabi namin na cool down na siya.
walang kahirap-hirap.
At masama namin So, katatapos lang namin ng hike. So, ngayon nagko-cool down kami. And tapos na kaming mag-stretch. Actually, si Wonwon in progress. Kanyang stretching. Pero ako tapos na. So, this has been a fun hike. In Fike? I-edit mo yun, ha?
In Fike.
In Fike. In fact, hindi namin in-expect na ganito yung
Fun.
satisfaction namin.
Fun hike.
Yeah, it was really a fun hike. In Fike. Yeah. Overall, it's been such a great hike. It's certainly half a mile shorter kumpara sa ginawa namin last week. Pero in terms of duration, mas kumain siya ng mahabang oras. Slightly longer in duration. Pero both are different hikes. So far, this has been great. We'll try na mag-hike ng ibang location next weekend. But so far, wala kaming pwedeng itapon sa mga hinike namin. Paalam!